I've shared this information once before. If you're tired of seeing sponsored ads cluttering up your search results and you're using Chrome, go to the Chrome web store and install Amino Live CSS Editor. There's a free version and a paid version. Both are great. Once you have that installed, head over to Google and do a Google search. In response to what I saw in Twitter, I did a search for Molly payments. And as you can see, I have some sponsored ads here at the top, not as much as what was in the original post on Twitter. So what I'm going to do now is open up my web inspector. And with elements selected, I'm going to take a look and inspect that ad. So sponsored ads all show up inside of this div. It has a class of uEierd. So what I'm going to do is copy that class, and then over here in Inspector, you should see Amino. You might have to sign in to Amino. It might ask you to sign in initially, so go ahead and do that. And I want to add a new CSS rule for the entire site, not just this page, but this entire site. And so what you can see here is I already have the rule in place and I have it commented out. I'm going to turn that back on. So what I'm doing is I'm saying any div with that class on it, display none. Now watch this area here. As soon as I hit save, it's going to disappear and I will no longer see any ads in my Google search results.